Howdy. Thanks for checking out my MySpace. I'm Dusty. My friends call me Reverend Dusty, the sex pastor. Not because I'm a pastor, but because I know a lot about sex. I'm famous for writing the books Chicken Soup for the Sexual Soul, Sex for Dummies, and Life Beyond Viagra. I'm 65, almost 66, and I'm still a virgin. I've never had sex, but I study a lot. Sorry, excuse my voice. The old age is catching up with me. Your pastor told me the live was bringing sexy back. And I'm here to answer all your questions about sex. I know more about sex than Ron Jeremy, Jenna Jameson, you name it. I know it about sex. So all you gotta do is leave your comments on my MySpace and I'll answer them every week. The X-rated ones, you can just go ahead and leave a message. This should be fun.